First line, we have issued a booklet which gives details of the new automatic toaster we have just put on the market, full stop. You can secure a copy of this booklet as well as our latest catalog by writing for them, full stop. We make absolutely no charge, full stop. Second line, I have submitted an estimate for doing the job, comma, but they have not yet notified me that they will accept my bid, full stop. Third line, this item is listed in the catalog at 4 guineas, full stop. If you remit in 5 days, you can deduct 2%, full stop. Fourth line, we have not yet received the goods invoiced by you on 4th May, full stop. We hope that you will get them to us by next Tuesday at the latest, comma, as we are quite out of stock of some of these items, full stop. Fifth line, why has the firm kept us waiting for the steel sheets, question mark. They stated in a recent note that the sheets had actually left the factory, full stop. If they did ship them when they said, comma, the sheets should have arrived by now, full stop.